So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign a PDF document directly in your mail app on your iPhone. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the mail app. In the mail app, for example, this is the mail that I want to sign. This is the PDF. Just simply open that PDF in your mail app. Now here, you're gonna see this option of something like pen in this bottom left corner. The second option. Once you click over this option, you'll get a pen in your hand. Now all you need to do is to just simply sign whatever you need to sign on your PDF. And once you are done with it, for example, if I want to do it for the multiple pages, and or I can just simply do it with my hands only. Here you can see I can sign multiple pages there wherever I want to. I can zoom in and say, give a precise sign as well. And once I'm done with it, all I need to do is to just simply hit done, and I can save it to files, or I can reply to that particular mail as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.